If the clean light starts blinking on your KitchenAid KDFE204KPS dishwasher, it usually means the dishwasher has detected an issue that interrupted the previous wash cycle. This warning can appear due to heating problems, incomplete cycles, or temporary control board glitches. When the system senses an error, it locks the controls and flashes the clean indicator to alert you that the cycle didn't finish properly. Fortunately, the problem can often be cleared by resetting the control panel and checking a few basic components. Try these. Step 1. Press the Cancel Drain button to stop the current cycle and allow the dishwasher to drain. Step 2. Turn off the dishwasher and switch off power at the circuit breaker for about 1 minute. Step 3. Restore power and close the dishwasher door firmly to reinitialize the control panel. Step 4. Start a short wash cycle to check if the dishwasher runs normally. Step 5. If the light continues blinking, inspect the heating element and water supply before running another cycle.